Hey guys, I heard some of you are still struggling making your account, so I pulled up this document. This is the document I have on Canvas. And so I'm going to show you real quick kind of the steps to go through and create your account. So the first thing you're going to do, if you look at this sheet, is go to learn.hox.com. Okay, so learn.hoxlearning.com. Once I open this, notice that for me, it pulled up my account information right away, but that's because I've logged in as a student under one account. So what I'm going to do is, just so you can see how to create a your own account, we're going to go through. So the first thing you're going to do is create an account down here. Once you get here, you're going to request temporary access. So the thing in which we have is temporary access. We have a code that they've given us. You don't need a code. Everything will auto populate based on your choices. So click request temporary access. Then you're going to fill this out. So I'm going to fill out this. I'm going to use my UNC Charlotte email for now so that you can see that. This is the part where you need to pay attention. Under select your school, you're looking for Charlotte Engineering Early College. That's what I was talking about on the thing. They didn't, when I talked to the woman, she accidentally put it in as the engineering school. No big deal though, because it still works just the same. So it's under Charlotte Engineering Early College. Make sure you use a personal email address. Don't use your school, because the school one will give you issues with getting a confirmation email. But I think if you click this button and put an alternate email address here, I'll use my school one here, you might get all other correspondence through there. But I would just focus on right now, go ahead and setting it up with a personal email address. Again, make sure you hit Charlotte Engineering Early College. And then go to the next step. From there, you'll need to create a password. Okay, I'm just creating a password real quick. And then set the time zone. We are Eastern time zone. Create a security question. Okay, there's my security question. A second security question. Okay, and hit next. If you want to save it, you can save it here. You can upload a picture of yourself if you want. And we'll go to next step. This is the next three choices, which you need to be concerned about. So you'll click this one's the only one you have. Don't worry, I'm not actually teaching you pre-cal. I'm pulling from the integrated review stuff, which is review from Math 1, 2, and 3. Obviously, I'm your instructor. And then you'll choose your section based on the one you have. My other account, I'm logged into the Math 2 section, so this one I'll choose to join the Math 3. But you want to choose the course that you're enrolled in. Then you enroll. And then I've got to go check my email for a verification. At that point, you should be able to log in and all that good stuff. If you have any issues past that, let me know.